Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn Learning beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for LinkedIn Learning. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. If you already have a LinkedIn account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. To sign in, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate box. After confirming your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. If you've enabled two-step verification, follow the prompts to complete that step. Once logged in, you will be directed to your LinkedIn Learning homepage. Here, you can explore various courses and learning paths tailored to your interests. To search for specific content, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to the course you want to find. As results appear, click on any course title to view more details. From here, you can start learning by clicking the Start button on the course page. If you need to pause or resume, use the controls provided during the video. Remember to explore additional features like bookmarks and personalized recommendations. This completes your login process and initial navigation on LinkedIn Learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.